Let's upgrade to Windows 11 version 22H2 to 23H2 without joining Windows Insider program. So currently you can see I'm using version 22H2 and now I'm going to upgrade to Windows 11 version 23H2. So just go to description link and you will navigate to this official Microsoft website. And just log in with your Microsoft account. After that, you need to download the latest Windows 11 23H2 ISO file. So just select here release preview channel build 22631. So this is the latest Windows 11 version 23H2 ISO file and select the language. So make sure you are selecting the same language which is already installed in your system. Otherwise you will not get the option like keep personal file. So just go into time and language. Just go into language and region. Here you can see Windows display languages English United States. After that just select that and click here confirm and just click here 64-bit download. And now you have downloaded this ISO file. So just mount this ISO. Make sure your system is completely supported, then this will work. So just run the setup. Check this box and click here next. After that accept license and terms. Now you can see you got option like keep personal files and apps. Just click on install. Now we are installing Windows 11 version 23H2. So we have just installed this version 23H2 and you can see the resources uses are very normal. Even the processes are cut down and earlier we have more processes running in background. Now this is little more faster and you got some AI features like a Windows Copilot, or if you don't get it after upgrading, you can watch my earlier videos so you will get to know like how to enable it. So you can see you can open apps using Windows Copilot, you can open Windows settings app. Another thing is like we have modern file explorer which is completely dark mode. They have removed the feature like dragging the file on address bar, so this is currently disabled. Maybe in future it is coming. You can get details of any file or you get gallery option. We also have feature like new tabs or extracting or combining these file explorer tabs, right? So this is really cool. Next is we have new homepage settings. So here you will get recommended settings and some other Microsoft related settings. So this is really quicker way to get those settings which you frequently use. And you can see I'm using this Windows 11 version 23H2. Let me show you Insider program. I did not join it, right? So this is how you can upgrade to Windows 11 version 23H2 without joining Windows Insider.